The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, released in July 2024, represents cutting-edge foldable technology. However, users have reported overheating issues that can impact device performance and user experience. Overheating primarily occurs during five specific scenarios. These include intensive gaming sessions, extended camera usage, especially video recording, multitasking with split-screen applications, fast charging cycles, and usage in high ambient temperatures. These overheating issues can significantly impact device performance and longevity. When temperatures rise, the device automatically throttles performance to prevent damage, resulting in slower processing speeds and reduced battery life over time. Samsung has responded to these issues with software solutions. The One UI 6.1.1 update introduced enhanced thermal throttling algorithms and improved adaptive battery features that optimize power distribution across both displays of the foldable device. Users can take immediate cooling measures to address overheating. These include moving to an air-conditioned environment below 25 degrees Celsius, removing the device case to improve heat dissipation, avoiding direct sunlight exposure, and using cooling pads or external fans. Software-based solutions provide additional thermal management. Users should enable adaptive battery in device settings, activate the Put Unused Apps to Sleep feature, and turn on Auto Optimize Daily to automatically manage background processes and reduce heat generation. By implementing these immediate cooling measures and software optimizations, Galaxy Z Fold 6 users can significantly reduce overheating issues and maintain optimal device performance. These solutions address the root causes, while Samsung continues to refine thermal management through software updates. Advanced battery optimization begins with enabling power saving mode, which strategically reduces CPU performance and limits background synchronization to minimize heat generation. Charging optimization plays a crucial role in thermal management. Using 15-watt wireless charging instead of 25-watt wired charging significantly reduces heat generation during the charging process. App-specific optimizations provide targeted thermal management. Camera recording should be limited to 10-minute intervals to prevent overheating, while Game Booster actively manages CPU and GPU loads during intensive gaming sessions. Enabling sleeping apps for unused applications prevents background processes from consuming resources and generating unnecessary heat, further optimizing thermal performance. Industry trends indicate significant improvements in future foldable devices. The expected Galaxy Z Fold 7 will feature enhanced thermal architecture, more efficient 3-nanometer processors, and improved hinge designs for better airflow management. By implementing these advanced cooling and battery optimization strategies, users can effectively manage overheating issues, achieving significant temperature reductions and improved performance longevity for their Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6.